Hey everybody, CBQ here, back with another special edition of How It Works. I'm here with Joel Dunham. Dr. Dunham is a principal robotics software engineer here at Greenzie. He's also doing some fine work at the OPEI committees for both functional safety and some of the safety around large-scale commercial autonomous mowing. Is that right?
That is correct.
So Joel here has been working on a couple features to improve our autonomous mowing. One of the ones we're really excited about is the enhanced safety in our perception system. As a reminder, everyone knows we've done a lot of videos about our perception system. It's based on sort of ground plane obstacles above this. The work you're doing is based on machine learning. Can you tell us a little bit about it? What is machine learning and how does it work?
So basically, you give a bunch of imagery, so pictures of people, pictures of cones, whatever you're interested in, various backgrounds, different lighting, and you train the system to detect those.
So train, you literally mean we're telling it this is, this isn't. I know you've done a lot of work on this. How does that work? Is it a...
So generally you take the imagery, you label it, and you say, okay, this is a person, this is not a person, and then that's what you're teaching it with.
Gotcha. And so I know we've been focused on two classes of objects, although it does pretty good with a number of other classes. What are the two objects that we're very concerned with in functional safety for mowing?
So we tend to be concerned with cones and people right now. And the cones because you just use those for offsetting areas you don't want to get with, and people are obviously a high priority.
Totally. So tell me a little bit about the challenges that you've run into. I know that we think a lot about it, like do people running, does that, or people crouching, like is there a difference? Like how does it work? How does it know?
So running, since it's from frame to frame, it handles that quite well. Where you get into interesting situations is like people laying on the ground. Most of the imagery out there isn't focused on people laying on the ground, so you need custom data sets for that.
And so we've been able to do that. From what I understand, we took an algorithm that was already a machine learning model, and then we added, what did we do there?
So we add custom data, we add custom classes as necessary for the cones, and then we just train it on top of that to recognize the additional information.
That's awesome. All right, so what's next for this enhanced obstacle detection and safety systems? What's going to improve in the coming season?
Continuous improvement, so as we get more data, it just gets better, and then just better understanding of how well it's doing, so improving those numbers.
Awesome. Well, hey, Joel, thanks for your work on it. All right, everybody, thanks for listening. Let us know in the comments what you want to see us talk about, how it works. Thanks, and keep up the great work. See ya.
Thank you.